$51,129.57. Passive affiliate commissions. Sounds good? Everybody loves it. But the most important number in this screenshot is not this number. The most important is the number of hops. These are the real people who we helped get the answers of their questions. People have a lot of questions after they purchase something with their credit cards. These are the most important people. They are serious people. They already spent their hard-earned money and now they need help. Okay, I'll give you an example. And in this video, I will share how you can make money, affiliate commissions, how you can get customers like this for free. And you will get my artificial intelligence software, Epic, that we use on regular basis to get customers from YouTube. Link is in the description. I will show you in a moment how everything works step by step. Stay tuned till the end of the video. So let me explain how we make money. We make videos. But not only these videos, we make videos without camera and without microphone, because videos with cameras and microphones are not scalable. I cannot shoot video all day. To help us make money easily with videos, to get customers, we made Epic. And good for you, we made Epic free for our YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Right. Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. Epic allows us to write script for videos using artificial intelligence. With one push of a button, I can generate a new script. Then Epic turns that script into natural sounding voiceover. Just select your favorite voice type and put that text you want to turn to voiceover and click one button and the voiceover is ready. How cool is that? I will show you how Epic works in the later part of the video. But before that, let me tell you, Epic is free, link is in the description. Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos like this. On the right-hand side, all these are bite-sized videos. Then we compile them into one video with just one push of a button. Sounds great? Get Epic, start making videos from today. Now I will show you how to get customers who will watch your videos and buy from you. Before we move forward, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want you to participate in that. All we want from you is hitting the like button and share this video with your friends and family. This way, you will help us help others, and you will help your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. Now I just told you our secret of getting customers. Like and share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will let you know when we will upload our next money making video. So let's get you customers. We do a lot of email marketing. So we use softwares like Aweber, SendLane, and one of the very popular email marketing software is GetResponse. I know everybody will tell you to start email marketing, but it's not really easy. But you have to start either way. For that, the best of the best software is free, link is in the description. This software turns any PDF document into your opt-in page and your lead magnet. So you don't need additional lead magnet or opt-in page to build list and put them into your email autoresponder like GetResponse. That software carries the press, so is free. Link is in the description, go grab it. Now these GetResponse users are paying customers. They pay monthly recurring fees to GetResponse to help them with email marketing. But a lot of people don't know how to use GetResponse, how to use GetResponse to make money. So people go to YouTube and search for how to use GetResponse. 782,000 people every single month look for the keyword GetResponse because they need help with this. I told you I will give you customers. Here are your customers. To validate this information, go to keyword research tool like Ubersuggest. You can use anyone. I personally like Ubersuggest, and look for the main keyword and see whether people are looking for information or not. And you will see a lot of serious people looking for information. You can answer these questions. and get them watch your videos that you made using Epic with only image, text and links and artificial intelligence. Now we are here to make money, and how can you make money with GetResponse? The answer is simple. First of all, you make money from YouTube AdSense. So from every million views, you can make upward of $5,000. The second one is Udemy. If you go to Udemy and look for email marketing, you see 10,000 results. This particular course was sold to 691,553 students at the price point of $12.99. So, hey Siri, how much is 691,553 times 12.99?
691,553 times 12.99 is 8,983,273.47.
$8 million from one course? If I make $2 million, I'm very happy. From one course from Udemy is completely free customers. In case you don't know, Udemy is a $1 billion company and they have 102 million monthly customers. I'm not talking about visitors, I'm talking about customers. Because people who visit Udemy, they know that Udemy is a course selling site. So they come here to buy courses. And these are passionate people who want to watch your course videos for a long time. They have a longer attention span than other regular YouTube viewers. And they have a mentality of learning from courses. And they buy courses after courses. And another interesting part is their marketing channels. If you look at their traffic or customer sources, you see 62% of these 100 million customers are already in the Udemy. And the remaining 21% comes from Google. So Udemy's courses are visible on Google as well. So can we say if you publish your bundle of videos as online course on Udemy, you will get free customers from Google. And 6.98% customers come from social media. That's not bad at all. Just by uploading your bundle of videos as online course on Udemy. So upload your course on Udemy, take the link of the course and put your course link in your video descriptions. Ask your viewers to find your course for more information on the description of your videos, just like we are asking you to get Epic for free from the link in the description. Help customers. Make simple videos that they are looking for. Do your research using keyword research tool, using YouTube, using Udemy, and know exactly what people are buying, what questions they have after buying, and answer their questions in form of videos. Upload your videos on Udemy as well as online course, sell and make money like $8 million. And to get more traction on your videos, put the links of the videos in your video description and ask your viewers to click those links and get your courses. This way, Udemy will send you customers, Google will send you customers, and from your videos, you will get customers. And of course, you will make money from YouTube AdSense as well. Altogether, it's a lot of money. I would say far more than what I just showed you, our 51,000 passive affiliate commissions. Sounds good? We get a lot of views from YouTube. Look at our channel analytics. We got 22,000 views in last 28 days alone. Look at 90 days, 57,000 views in last 90 days. Now let's go back to 28 days and look at the shorts feed, 12.7%. This traffic, these views came directly from YouTube because we are publishing shorts. And our shorts are under 1 minute long, of course. They're getting good number of views. We do absolutely no promotion whatsoever for our shorts. All these views are coming from directly YouTube, and we build our shorts using our software Epic. It is super simple to use Epic. Simply create new, give your video a name, select vertical, click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any source, paste it here, and your image is imported. You can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want a voiceover and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want, click the text generator, paste it right here, use our AI or artificial intelligence to rewrite for you, or use the spinner to rewrite your choice. Let's use the spinner, and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type, paste the text here, then click submit. Go to the text to audio section, click add.
Residence Technique Pro Guide.
And your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length, and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back and add more videos sections. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. This is exactly how we made this video right here, and we are getting views organically from YouTube, 100% free. This is a 1-minute video and it took 10 minutes to create. Super simple. Go get Epic from the link in the description. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years. And we want you to participate in that. So for that, all you have to do is to hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and all your social media timelines. Let everybody know the real way of how to make money online. They will love you and they will follow you for sharing awesome information. They will also get access to our AI software, Epic, and all other softwares. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of people make money, and you can do it too. Go ahead, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button if you want to get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.